In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend song in Suno AI. The extend feature is perfect when you want to continue an unfinished idea, add a new verse or chorus, or reshape the ending of a track you've already generated. I'll walk you through the exact flow so your extension feels natural and musical, not tacked on. Start by logging into Suno AI and opening the song you want to build on. You can find it in your library if it's an existing generation, or in Create if you've just made it. Picking the right bass track matters because Suno uses that original to guide melody, vocal tone, and instrumentation in the continuation. Next, open the Songs menu. Click the three dots on the track and choose either Extend or Continue from here. The wording can differ depending on the version you're using, but both lead to the same place, the extension workspace. Now decide where the continuation should begin. You can extend from the very end, jump to a specific timestamp, or target musical moments like just before the chorus, after the bridge, or during an instrumental section. For example, you might continue from 112 to replace a weak ending or to add another chorus. Think about the story your song is telling and choose a starting point that supports that arc and gives Suno a clean handoff. When the prompt or lyrics field appears, choose how much direction to give. If you want the system to match what you already have, leave the prompt mostly as is. Suno will work to keep the melody, vocals, instruments, and style consistent. If you want to shift, add a short, clear instruction such as bigger cinematic ending with choir and drums, or switch into emotional piano outro. Keep language concise and musical so the model understands the vibe you're after. Generate the extension by clicking Create or Extend. Suno will produce a continuation clip designed to connect smoothly with your original, aligning rhythms, harmonies, and structure. You'll usually receive two versions, which makes it easier to compare energy, transitions, and phrasing, and pick the one that best fits your vision. To finish, open the extended version you prefer and select Get Full Song or Combine. Suno will merge the original section and the continuation into one seamless track, preserving timing and flow. If something feels off, revisit the timestamp or refine your prompt, then regenerate until the transition feels effortless. That's all it takes to turn a good idea into a complete song with Suno AI's Extend feature.